Hey guys, Glenn Murray online. Sorry, it's been a couple of days. It's been kind of busy. Actually, I've been building a bunch of stuff in the background, and I just run out of time each night. And I'm like, I'm too tired to do a video, but I need to do them, so I'm here. Anyways, today is one of my best converting offers. It's actually, guys, right now during this pandemic, there's a ton of people at home, and they're looking for ways to make money from home. Like, it's crazy. It's so blowing up right now, so you need to get involved. If you like videos about making money online, make sure you click the link below and hit the notification bell. And then I'm gonna just explain to you which offers are really working well for me, and then where I'm getting the traffic. I'm just sending a ton of traffic at this stuff, guys, and it's converting, and it's awesome. So what are the best converting offers during pandemic 2020? So this is about making money online. So there's going to be two offers below. So there's one is a 15-day marketing training. I recommend you jump into that. It'll cost you $7. And then, but there's another offer I'm going to put in there that you can start making money right away. You just have to set it all up. It's basically a free funnel, and you set it all up, set up all the pieces to it. It's all the instructions are there by video, and go through them one at a time. And then I'm going to show you, basically we're going to throw traffic while you're doing that challenge, the 15-day challenge. I want you to be sending traffic at this other offer, because I want everything paid for by the time you get you want to be making money like right away in the next 2 weeks. So this is friggin' awesome stuff. It's very, very simple, guys. Everything is very straightforward. You just have to take the time, focus, put the blinders on. I know I get caught up in, someone will send me an email and then it'll be like, oh, there's a webinar you got to watch. And I actually watch a lot because we also do a local services directory, local services business development, and we've got some new tools that we're trying to work for people that are shut in. But I also do my affiliate marketing, so that stuff for me is really cool because it's actually there's not a lot of moving parts, guys. It's really like, once you set it up, you basically, it's like going to a takeout window. You just go buy traffic, or create, if you don't have the money to buy traffic, create content so you get traffic to your thing, or do content on Facebook Live. Facebook Live is hard because sometimes if you say the wrong thing, they'll turn your channel down. Or do YouTube, like do YouTube lives. Just do what I'm doing here. Say, hey guys, I've got these new programs I'm trying out. Here's what I'm doing. Here's the links to them. Here's the links to the traffic that I'm using, and that kind of thing. So the cool thing about the traffic I'm going to show you, it is paid traffic. Some of it's very low cost traffic, like some of it's basically time. Like, you'll see what I mean. And actually, the stuff that is converting is that stuff. Like, so what it is, it's mailers. And how a mailer works is basically you put your offer up and you click, you see so many offers and you get credit so that you can mail, right? That's how a safe list or a mailer works, instead of having to buy them. And some of them have memberships, and all of them pay commissions, right? So everything I'm going to show you is monetized. Like, you can monetize all of this, and this is why it's so awesome, and this is why you need to be doing this kind of thing. So it's all training, it's all services and software stuff. So it's just tools that you can use in your business, and it's awesome tools. So what am I doing exactly? I'm doing videos like this all the last couple of days. Like I said, I've been I've actually been just building bonus pages, guys. That's all I've been doing, is because I've got a couple offers that I need to do for our other channel, our review channel. So I've been building out these offer pages, and they just take a long time to build. And then once those are up, I'll do a video here for them. Some really great software that we found, some really cool stuff, especially if you're into doing video marketing or doing agency, or you want to get into not just affiliate marketing. Like, if you want to have like we do affiliate marketing on the side, and we have sort of a focused digital service that we offer clients for recurring income, right? Like, our charges are $97 a month, and we maintain a website and host it and do a piece of content for local services. So that's our kind of business model. Like, we'll build the front end for $500, and if you want some extras stuff, and then if you want to go up, if you want to do like social media management or SEO, it's a little bit, you can do add-ons like that. So that's what we do, but then we do affiliate marketing on the side. So it's kind of a whole sort of kit and caboodle thing. So what are we going to do? So I mean, there's two offers below. One, again, is the 15-day challenge. The other one is a free funnel, but you need to, that's the one you're going to sign up for, and you're going to go through all the steps, the video steps, and you're going to set it up so that you can point traffic at it. Now, where are you going to get your traffic? So let me show you what, and you guys are going to laugh, but this is the traffic that's converting. Now, remember, all the links are going to be below. They're also going to be in the page, the traffic page in the funnel that you're going to be setting up, right? And you're going to be able to take your affiliate link from these programs and replace mine with it. And I can show you how to do it, or it shows you exactly how to do it in the video. And then when you sign up someone, they're going to get all those links, which will be yours. Make sense? Okay, let's get into it. So the first one is Referral Frenzy. You guys have seen it before. I've talked about it. I've got a whole video on it. So this is a compilation of mailers, guys. I'm getting like crazy great. Oh, I just remembered another one that I'm using. That's really inexpensive. I mail every day. So I'm getting a ton of actual signups and conversions from this program. So what it is, it's a collection of mailers. So let me go to the sales page. Let me just log out. And then that'll probably be easier. Log out. So what it is, it's basically, instead of going and logging into each of these different all these different mailers, which would take forever, would take you literally the whole day, they compile it all here. So this sort of brings in all your information from those mailers. It also shows your commissions from those mailers. And basically what you do is you would go and you'd sign up for this, and then you, in the back office, you'd want to go, and then as you're building it out, you would end up joining these mailers. So, and you get all these bonuses for being a member of it. So then when you log into it, it's really super easy to use. I think there's some new mailers that I haven't even added to yet. Oh, it's giving me a one time. I have the ultimate membership there. I've been in it. I've actually been a member of this from, I think, since Marty launched it, and it's paid me thousands of dollars, which is pretty cool. So send mail right here, and basically what it is each of these, you would just click on one of these, you would join it, right? And then from there you'd be able to use it. And then so when you want to send a email, see, there's a couple new ones that I haven't joined yet, guys. So when you haven't joined, you'd be there. Now what happens when I click this, I'm going to join my uplines. It's my uplines link in here, guys. This is so awesome. This is my uplines link. So I always join mailers from in here. So my upline is always getting when I sign up for them. So there's a few that I got to go in and update. But what I'm doing is I'm clicking, you select all those, and then you just hit send mail. Now I already sent this morning, so a lot of them I won't be able to send to. I'm upgraded at a lot of them, so I get to send every 24 hours my membership. Some of them are every 2 days, some of them are every 3 days, some of them are every 11 hours. So, and you get all these bonus credits. So I could do I could basically, in here, I could send it 2 a day. So when I'm going to send my email, I just choose how many credits I want to use, and then I would go down and I would choose the email I'm going to send. Now this is what I'm using, guys. This is my headline here. Let me show you the ad. Actually, emergency fund maker for those who have lost their jobs. That's what I'm sending out, and this is what's converting. So my ads, I'll show you it exactly, so you guys can go out and do the same thing. So these are what the ads look like. This is the text version, you'll see. So, emergency fund maker for those who have lost their jobs. Are you out of work? Are you running out of savings? Grab this simple system to learn how to make quick online success. Even complete newbies are quickly banking $100 plus each day. Cost to get in is low cost, $7. So that's for the challenge, right? The $7 challenge. You could also change that to the funnel, the other one, the free funnel that I'm giving you. So you can do that. and then you would send it out, and you would get people who are signing up like crazy. It's awesome. So that's one of the places that I recommend that you need to join and get in. And even if you have another offer, any offer you want to make, if you're doing affiliate programs like software stuff, use this to send out mail, because once you become a member of those sites, of all those mailers in there, it's basically you get tens of thousands of emails out every day. I used to say the traffic wasn't that great, but it seems like with everything that's happening in the world right now, the people that are here are really focused on actually getting money, or maybe there's more people turning to this that want to spend money to make money. So the conversions are happening really well. Another great place is Udimi. Again, this is affiliate program, guys. Right? This is basically another place that you can buy solos. It costs you like they're 30 to 60 cents a click. It's a great one. It's totally recommended you do this one. Another one I'm using is Traffic Authority. Now, what's weird about Traffic Authority, when you buy a package, it actually goes on for a long time. It can take a couple of weeks for it to slowly go, because you're on these giant rotators. But again, it's great. It's awesome traffic, solid traffic, and you get leads onto your email list, and you will get sales. And then the last one I'm using right now is trafficforme.com. Again, another affiliate program. I just ran a campaign on this a couple of days ago. I think I bought 200 clicks, I think, on it, and I think I ended up with almost 80 opt-ins. So that's amazing, right? That was so amazing. I think it was like less than $1 an opt-in, which is phenomenal. The last one I forgot, guys, is I mail this every day. And I'll put a link to this as well, guys. So I'm going to put links to all these, but these are also in that funnel that you're going to set up, and you're going to be able to put your affiliate links for these programs in that funnel. So I also use this every day. So that's what I'm doing, guys. And where am I? So yeah, so that's basically it. So and it's working. Like, guys, it's the sales, the leads are coming in, the sales are coming in. I'm running 2 different autoresponders right now. I'm also running stuff on Bing, some real basic affiliate stuff for some ClickBank stuff, and then I'm working on some bonus pages for JVZoo and Warrior Plus products. So it's kind of like it's a whole bunch of stuff going on. The one thing about our home services thing, we're trying to find an angle that we can still help these people out, right? And it's kind of tough because a lot of them are like face-to-face stuff. Like, we were really focusing on hair. I was focusing on hair salons and nail places, and it's kind of like, yeah, they're not doing much business, and they can't even go out and do home business, right? So we're kind of shifting, and we're trying to figure out, like, okay, how are we going to get in front of these people? Like, what are the people that are still doing work? House painters are still working, this kind of thing. There's still a lot there. So we're trying to shift and trying to figure out how can we bring it as much value as possible. Restaurants are delivering. Some restaurants are turning into delivery. And guys, remember, because people are isolated right now, a lot of people are taking this time to actually go online. And so if you don't know what you're doing and you need help getting online, maybe you need your blog set up or whatever, message us. We can set you up with whatever you want. Or maybe you have a business that you are out of work right now, and sure, you want to try to make some money on the side with the affiliate stuff. Or maybe you're just going, Glenn, I just want to learn how to get my business somehow transitioned onto online, so we can basically have a presence. And then when this is all over, we're going to be set to really rock and roll, because we'll have basically everything we need all set up website wise, and we'll have our social media, we'll have our SEO, so we can help you do that as well. So that's what I have for you guys. Follow the links. This is working. It just takes time, and if you're at home without work, you probably have time. Turn off the Netflix, turn off the Disney Channel, turn off the YouTube, get down to business. I swear, like carve out 90 minutes a day where you're just going to turn your phone off, lock yourself in a room or whatever, and just take 90 minutes and just go hard for that 90 minutes and get as much done with no distractions as you can. Don't start surfing anything. Just do it. Just go through and set it up. Because once it's all set up, guys, it's set up. You don't have to go back and tweak it. The next thing is you just basically give a link to those traffic places and they just start sending traffic to you, and that's all you need to do because everything's taken care of. The emails are going to go to these people, they're going to sign up, and all you have to wait for the notifications for commissions, and then when those commissions come in, they just transfer it to your bank or onto your payment cards. Easy peasy. That's it, guys. It really is that simple. Now I'm not guaranteeing there's no guarantees because I don't know how hard you'll work, but I know you will have success if you put in the time. And the biggest thing is people don't put in the time. They'll dabble, they'll do part of it, they'll do like I'm gonna do 3 out of 5 steps, and it doesn't work that way. You gotta do all 5 steps, and you have to keep at it and keep focusing at it. But the main thing is getting it all set up correctly the first time, and that way once it's done, it's done. Like I don't even go back to those funnels, guys. I don't do anything with them. They just continue to leads every single day, sales every day. It's just awesome. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Make sure you hit the notification bells, hit subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Stay safe. Stay social distancing. I have my hoodie on because we were out clanging at 7 o'clock tonight. We do that every night. I don't know if you saw my video. It's got 2,500 views so far. My Facebook blew up too. The national anthem singer from the Canucks was in our courtyard between our buildings. So that was pretty cool. That was last night. No, was it last night? No, 2 nights ago. It was 2 nights ago. Yeah. Anyways, I think it was 2 nights ago. I don't even know anymore. We're just stuck inside. All right, guys, have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.